Alright, I printed the Unlimited Phoenix hand. Thingiverse customizer wasn't working properly at the time, so I just downloaded the Open SCAD file and installed Open SCAD and rendered it with that at 120%. I printed this in PLA, everything else in white PETG. Interesting enough, thermoforming this guy in PETG took a lot of effort. It's not like PLA where it's softened in hot water. I actually had to put it in the pot, actively boiling for 3 minutes to get it soft enough to do this. I used all Maker Geeks filament, so this is the Maker PLA and the Maker PETG, all of which are kind of a higher temp than most. I printed this at 255C. I printed this at 235. Everything went pretty smoothly, with the exception of the PLA part. I did damage this joint. That's Gorilla Glue kind of bubbling in there now. Everything's dry at this point. Hey buddy, you want to help me with the video? Come stand here where you can see yourself in the picture. Hi London. This is my son Jacob and my daughter London in the background. I'm Jared. What's that?
I needed to tell you something.
Jacob, do you want to demonstrate this?
Okay.
Go ahead. Put your fingers up inside here. And I'll hold this to your wrist. And can you grip? Yep. Do you think you can pick up this cup? Grip it as tight as you can and pick it up and put it down. There you go. Do it again. As tight as you can. That's okay, buddy. That's okay. One more time. We'll pick it up and we'll put it down. There you go. Good job. It's a lot heavier. You ready? All right. Oh.
It's a lot heavy.
Okay.
Wow.
London wants a turn. Okay, step aside. Now squeeze. Now look, you can pick this up.
Sit down.
You want the apple? Okay.
Apple.
These are great designs. I'd love to see one where the palm can actually fold a little bit.
Done.
All done. Good job.
The apple.
Okay, all done. The kids are fun. They like this. I'm actually donating this hand to my son's daycare. The issue I had with the PLA was that I did end up breaking off a piece of this connector here. And the issue with the PETG being that it didn't want to thermoform. I had to get it really hot. It worked out fine on the gauntlet. I did reprint the palm in PETG. I decided to put this one together permanently anyway with the PLA palm. It's not yet thermoformed, but I realized this is meant to be thermoformed. Printed in PETG, I think it'd be a little bit tricky. This thing would have to be really hot, and I'm not sure how to get a child's hand in there safely. It's adjustable. I actually used, you can't see them well in the video, I used nylon screws here for the tension pins. They're working just fine. The printer that I used was the X Machines Lorai. It was a Kickstarter I got a couple years ago. Let's see, so that's my Unlimited Phoenix that Jacob helped me print and London helped me test. Thanks guys. Good work.